The purpose of the VVT solenoid is to deliver oil pressure to the camshaft actuator to help advance or retard the timing of the camshaft. Some manufacturers call it an oil control valve, while others, like BMW, refer to it as vanos. There are even more names depending on the manufacturer. The variable valve solenoid will typically be located at the top of the engine near the camshaft. However, the location can vary between cars. Also, depending on your engine, you can have more than one VVT solenoid. If you can't find it, I'll leave a great repair manual in the description below. The first symptom of a bad VVT solenoid is having the check engine light on. Here's some codes that can pop up. You can scan these codes with an OBD2 scanner. I'll leave a great one in the description below. The second symptom is hearing strange noises coming from the engine. You may hear knocking or rattling sounds. In some vehicles, it can especially be noticeable when starting the car. This happens because the camshaft actuators can't receive adequate oil pressure from a failed VVT solenoid. As a result, the internal metal components of the camshaft actuator will produce a rattling sound. The third symptom you could experience is poor fuel economy. If you find yourself going to the gas station more often than usual, a faulty VVT solenoid could be the reason why. The next symptom is your vehicle stalling. A malfunctioning solenoid can throw off the valve timing, leading to improper combustion. This will cause your engine to run rough and eventually stall out in the middle of the road. The fifth symptom is poor acceleration. If the VVT solenoid is faulty, it can disrupt the correct timing of the camshaft, leading to inefficient combustion. As a result, you'll experience reduced engine power and weak acceleration when pressing on the gas pedal. This leads us to the last symptom, your vehicle going into limp mode. Limp mode is a safety feature that protects you and your car. The RPMs and speed will be limited, and you'll usually be stuck in second or third gear. I appreciate you all for watching this video. If you gained value, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.